Your attention, please. This is the Alberta Emergency Public Warning System. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
This is Brian Proctor, severe weather meteorologist for Environment Canada. At 5:10 p.m., Doppler radar is tracking a rotating severe thunderstorm near Drayton Valley that is moving east at 35 kilometers per hour. This dangerous storm is likely producing very large hail and may produce a tornado over the next 30 minutes in areas from Drayton Valley east to Carnwood. Persons in these areas should be prepared.
Ontario Amber Alert. Event type is Amber Alert.